This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a waterskin. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a durable animal hide, like goat or sheepskin, along with a sharp knife and strong thread for construction. Don't forget natural sealants such as pine pitch or beeswax to waterproof your creation. Finally, have a good water source ready for cleaning throughout the process. Next, we prepare the hide. Begin by meticulously cleaning the hide, removing all flesh and hair. Then, immerse it in a tanning solution for several days, stirring daily to ensure even penetration. After tanning, stretch and dry the hide to make it pliable. Finally, trim the hide to your desired waterskin shape, ensuring clean edges. Now, let's shape and stitch your waterskin. Carefully fold the prepared hide into the desired form, creating the main body. Punch small, evenly spaced holes along the edges where the seams will be. Use a strong, waxed thread and a saddle stitch for durable, watertight seams. Remember to leave an unstitched opening for the waterskin's neck or spout. The final steps involve sealing and finishing. Apply a generous amount of natural sealant, such as pine pitch or beeswax, to all stitched seams and the interior. Allow it to dry and cure completely to ensure waterproofing. Before use, thoroughly test your waterskin for any leaks. For practicality, consider adding a sturdy strap or carrying handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.